Alright, welcome to the channel. Today we're shooting with model Katile, shooting some swimsuit in natural light at golden hour. I'll take you through some different angles that I shoot at to get both environmental portraits and really focus on the swimsuit as well, getting some detailed shots. So let's just get into it. Alright, we'll make it quick. Perfect, good. I like the angle, like pointing this way towards the sun, but pivot your shoulder. Once you find an area that doesn't have a rock, and then turn your head just a little bit more that way. There you go. So let me get perfect, good. Yeah, you're gonna love these. And then do one kind of profile with your face turned all the way that way towards the sun. Beautiful, good. And then eyes to the camera. And then pivot towards me just a little bit. I'm getting shots of the suit. And then let's see the turn around so we can see the back of the suit. And then we'll, yeah, perfect. And let's turn the other way so the light is hitting the back of the suit. Yep. Yep, perfect. And then we'll get out of here. Yep. All right. And here on the rock, right here on these rocks, you don't have to get in the water. Yeah. And I'm gonna do some kind of up. Okay. Ready, action. And then turn so I can see the back. All right, perfect. And then don't move. We'll get some details. And then when I say turn, turn slightly towards so I can see the back, okay? Turn for me. Okay, and then turn back. Yeah, perfect. All right, gold. I almost didn't bring that gold, and I was like, you know what? She was eyeballing the gold one. You're not vlogging.
No.
You're supposed to be talking. All right.
Oh, is it recording?
It's recording.
Oh.